Hi kids, welcome back to our Science Year 5 lesson. With me again, Miss Fatin. We are still in Module 2, Humans, but in the subtopic today, Human Blood Circulatory System. Are you ready? Let's go! For today's learning objectives, you have to know at the end of our lesson today, you will be able to 1. Identify and state 4 main parts that involve in the blood circulatory system. And number 2, you will be able to state each function of the main parts involved. Do you know what's actually happened in our blood circulatory system? Let's see and find out what's really happening and what are the main parts that involve in the system. Actually, in our blood circulatory system, the blood transports nutrients and the oxygen that we really need in whole parts of body. And the blood also wastes the products that we don't need in our body, such as carbon dioxide. Now, let us see what are the main parts that actually involve in the blood circulatory system to be happen. Are you ready? Let's see what are the main parts that actually involve in the system. First one is heart. So this is the heart. Next, lung. And then blood vessels. And the last part is blood. So please remember all these 4 parts that involve in the blood circulatory system. Without these main parts, our blood circulatory system cannot work. Let's see the first function, heart. The function of heart is to pump blood to all parts of body and also to the lungs. As you can see here, actually we have 2 sides of heart. We have left side and also right side. For the left side, it functions to pump blood which is rich with oxygen to whole body parts. And for the right side is to pump blood that is rich with carbon dioxide to be released out from our body. I repeat, for the left side is to pump blood that has rich oxygen to hold our body parts, because to ensure that we receive the energy from the oxygen. Meanwhile, for the right side is to pump blood that is rich with carbon dioxide to be released out from our body. So these are the functions of our heart. The main function is to pump blood to all parts of our body and also to the lungs. Can you remember? Yes, well done. You can remember the function of the heart. Let's see another one. The next part is the lung. The main function of the lung is as a place to change the oxygen and carbon dioxide. As we breathe in the oxygen through the nose, it will go straight into the trachea and our lung. After that, the oxygen will diffuse into the blood. Our heart will pump the blood into all body parts and change the oxygen into the energy that allow us to do daily activities. At the same time, all the waste products that we don't need in our body, such as carbon dioxide, will be released out through the lung. So, the main function of the lung is as a place to change carbon dioxide and also oxygen. Now, let us see another one, which is blood vessels. The main function of the blood vessel is as a pathway tube to transport blood to whole parts of our body and also the lung. So you just have to remember the word pathway tube to transport blood. And the last part is the blood. The blood flows in the blood vessels to whole parts of the body. The main function of the blood is to transport the nutrient, the oxygen, and also the waste products such as carbon dioxide. The blood transports the nutrient and the oxygen that we need to all parts of the body. Meanwhile, the blood also transports the waste products such as carbon dioxide that we don't need in the body to be released out through the lung. So just remember, the main function of the blood is to transport the nutrient, oxygen, and also the waste product. So class, let us remember again what are the main parts involved in the blood circulatory system. Number 1, the heart. Number 2, the lung. Number 3, the blood vessel. And the last one is the blood. I hope you can remember well all these main parts with the functions in the human blood circulatory system. So that's all for today. I hope you go through the notes again and finish the task that I give you in the WhatsApp group and also the Telegram. If you have any questions and problems, you may contact me privately. Bye. See you soon.